So what's up peeps, it's me Dutty Berry and welcome to a new segment called The Knife and Fork Life. Basically this is just, talking about my food awards journey. So in case you never know, I'm a food awards judge and I'm the youngest one and I am the only member, the only one that is gaining an enormous amount of weight. So this was me pre-food awards judging and this is me now. You see that? About 50 pounds again. So I got to go to Half Moon Hotel. Wow! You know how long I go there? You see, because I read enough, I'm watch Walipa TV. I just didn't know say it's a high-tighty place where whole heap of foreigners go. So I reach there, I say a breed of food where I never yet see combine so before. All this.
Plantain and jerk cashew.
And there's something here.
Today we have a fresh marlin.
You see, because me used to cook food, I am not about this fresh food life. More my food cook and them something there. But my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, the pumpkin cappuccino something there, did shell.
I gave pumpkin cappuccino. So I kind of twist it with a little bit of Europe and Jamaica.
It's like the thing of 3 different segments in it. Like the first is it tastes one little salty something, and then you go down to the second layer, and it's like something just, I don't know, like something that's mesmerize your tongue. And then by the time you swallow it, it's a total different level. You're gone to heaven, baptize and bear them something there.
Oh my god, it was so good. But not like people, I would have work and collect that as my pay amount time. Big up David Barber and guys Stu at the third. I'm a little doomstat, I teach him to get a hand signal and something there. Yes. And Christopher Goldin. So because me a part of them judge here, me have to kind of give like an insight so I can't get to meet them. I'm a dopes them, really nice people. The one of them talented.
So just reach Half Moon. I'm here with, say your name no? Sharon and who else? Who else? Who else?
Sandra?
Yeah, we just reached here. And so my nice, rare friend here, Miss Novia.
No, Angela.
Jella. And who else over here, so? Yeah, coming in. Cause you just...
Nella.
Yeah, show off yourselves. Let me throw you in the pool.
She haven't get her proper name,
Thank
no,
you.
she hasn't got no name?
Tanisha.
Oh, God.
Tanisha.
Yeah. So this is my Skittle crew. Yeah, you see, I'm Charlie, my angels. I'm a dupes them, and I decided here to get them find them some, some inner city, thug, bad man names. So over here, so originally is O'Neil, but his name is, say it now, Rochelle.
Ricky!
Over here, so now this is Omar. I know his name is
Delroy.
And then 2, what is my left and my right? Right! Over here, so is Sean, aka, what your name?
It's it.
You must hold it up, man.
And the dessert did yummy.
And we have the our caramelized roasted papaya and
Oh my gosh.
the bamboo skewer.
Yes.
And kind of...
The next place I went to was Patties. So Miss Novia Y. McDonald overheard me in an interview from way back at Tessan days when I said my favorite place to eat in Kingston was Tasty Patty. So when the whole opportunity came up that the food awards was making that stop at Tasty's because them had catering and all them something there, she invited me. The way me used to frequent Tasty's Patty people, me convinced myself say I pay them like bill a month time. I enjoyed the Christmas cake.
I had seconds of the Christmas cake because the Christmas cake is
the shrimp salad with them they have.
And the amount of events that we cater to.
And most of all, I did in love with the thing, yeah. Make me spin my roll for this.
To make their own menu and as well as afford our customers the ability.
That get devour. No man, this is not a box cover, this is a pack cover. That me say when things taste extra good. The sour sauce there, they on the same level as Tess and Chin vocals. So after me eat all the people them food and enjoy it, Mr. Chang and Miss Simone, they were so nice to give me about 5 bucks a patty for carry me yard and eat. Yes, me want eat it. So the next place we're gonna talk about is Ribbiz. So Ribbiz have a new thing called the curry goat burger. But now like Ribbiz, uno gonna lead with the one here. At first I was like, what the hell a curry goat burger? That just sound kind of weird. I couldn't really picture myself. I eat it. But then again, when I think about it, it actually sound like it with a shot.
I think Kamal can deal with the vibe, Ribby can deal with the booze. So having done the jerk pork burger, and it was very well received. It is still a massive seller for us. We have people who are coming from...
Right about now, this might be my new favorite item. The curry goat burger did shell. The potato and the mango chutney, where you get with it, my word people. But now, like, just take a taste buds them on a totally different level. It's like it was Air Jamaica soaring to new heights. Next place I'm going to talk about now is Crystal Edge and Cafe Blue up in the Irish Town. I really enjoyed this trip up on the mountain in the Irish Town. You get to see and take in all of them atmosphere there. The air just feel better. Like it actually go right down in your nostrils, like in your trachea. And I stop right up here, so like when you're in a town. So Jason Sharp, the managing director of Cafe Blue, taught us how to make coffee via the pour-over method.
Called pour-over, which we're going to have exclusively at Cafe Blue Irish Town initially. It's a very old traditional way of preparing coffee. and we thought it was something that the judges would.
People, I was really trying to listen to myself, but at that time, my belly just did a ball of help and mercy, and all me did a pre was forget little food. Every minute, drinks just to ask question.
Use your own pouring method.
As I know the teacher expect them. Nadine, you pastry them, did I go with a bag of things, man, I like.
What I learned, very European style, but I try to, because we are in Jamaica, I try to twist with the Jamaican style, try to use the fruit from Jamaica, try to be inspired what you have, and try to combine.
I didn't get to go over to Crystal Edge for to enjoy them oxtail and something because I was busy watching School Challenge Quiz match. But win some, the little soup I did get, did shell. Man, I like this is a pot cover for that one day. Pot cover! No man, my affy, go back up there so. But that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching this new segment called The Knife and Fork Life. You know, take care until next time. Oh, the Food Awards is the May the 29th, so make sure that you be there. Keep it locked. Dirty Berry, Food Awards judge. But you never know. Oh, I'm out.